Hello, welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm paddling Clinton Lake State Park. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. There's a pretty neat section of a flooded forest back there. I had to pedal pretty cautiously. Some of the branches were submerged, and I have a soft bottom boat, so I didn't want to tear a big gouge and have a problem. If you enjoyed this look at Clinton Lake State Park, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.